Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It's the 13th of February 2025. It's 2:39 in London, and I'm about to do my first investment of the day. For anyone who's new to the channel, this channel is all about long-term investing. I have a investment horizon of between 5 and 10 years. My goal is to build a £1 million portfolio, and the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to invest regularly every day, 3 times a day, into Tesla, NVIDIA, and MicroStrategy. So I'll be investing through my individual savings account, which is a tax exempt account here in the UK, where you can invest £20,000 every year, and any gains that you make within this account is free of tax. So that's a great way to build your wealth. And once I've maxed out the 20,000 for the year, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be investing into my SIP account, which is a self-invested personal pension where you get tax relief from the government. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invest 3 times a day. I'm going to deploy £100 into the market every time. This is just so I can build my investment habit, get into the habit of actually, understanding investment, understanding the companies that I'm involved in, that I'm investing in, and then trying to build my conviction and long-term wealth. So normally what used to happen is I used to invest in really, really good companies like Apple, Google, but I never stayed the duration. I stayed like 2 or 3 months, made a little bit of money, and then came out of the market. But now when I look back and see the amount of growth that I missed out on, is absolutely mind-boggling. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to buy and hold for as long as I can, and hopefully these 3 stocks, which are cutting edge at the moment, are going to grow substantially. So let's get into the first investment of the day, which is going to be Tesla. So I'm going to be investing £70 today. But before we do that, let's have a look at what Tesla is doing today. So today, Tesla is trading at $346. It's up about 3%, which is great. So I'm not really concerned about the daily movements. This is a very, very volatile stock. Tomorrow it could be down like 20%, or it could be up 20%. So I'm going to bear that in mind, and then I'm just going to invest, and I'm going to invest regardless of the price. So I'm going to put £70 into Tesla today. So I'm going to review the order. I'm going to confirm the buy. And I'm just sending the order through, and that's done. The next stock I'm going to buy, which is on my list, is MicroStrategy, purely because they have a very, very large holding in Bitcoin, and I cannot buy Bitcoin through my SIP or my ISA. So this is the next best alternative. So let's have a look at what MicroStrategy is doing today. So it's down 1.23%, but if you zoom out, you will see that over the last 5 years it's up about over 2,000%. So again, I bought this back in 2000, I believe it was, and I made some money and sold it very quickly. But if I held on to this, I would have made significant gains, really significant gains. So I'm not going to make the same mistake again. So I'm going to buy £20 of MicroStrategy. So I'm reviewing the order, I'm confirming the buy, sending the order through. Hopefully it's going to go through. And that's it, that's done. And then finally, my next stock is NVIDIA. So let's have a look how NVIDIA is doing today. So again, it's up 1.21. Again, I'm not too concerned about the daily movement, but it's just nice to see what's happening. I'm gonna buy it, so £10 into NVIDIA. Once I've done that, it's going to be £100 for the day. So just sending the order through, and that's done. So NVIDIA is done as well. So I've deployed another £100 into the stock market. Middle of the trading day, I'm going to deploy another £100, and before the market closes, I'm going to deploy another £100. So that's going to be £300 every day that I'm going to be investing long term. So some people might be asking, why am I doing it 3 times a day instead of once? So basically, the reason I'm doing it 3 times a day is I just want to get into the habit of investing. I know once a day is quite excessive, but 3 times a day, it's just a good feeling knowing that you're investing regularly. And you know, it just gives your mind a psychological boost that you're investing, like, you know, morning, noon, and night, just to, like, you know, invest into your future. So that's the reason I'm doing it. Anyone who's interested or anyone who wants to ask me any questions at all, leave a message in the comment and I'll give you a detailed response about my setup and how I make the money I do to invest in these companies. And you know, anything you want to ask me. I'm trying to grow this audience to 2,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I've got about over 1,000 subscribers now, so I'm slowly trying to build the momentum, try to share what I'm doing, because a lot of people in the UK are very confused about investing, and it doesn't have to be confusing. All you have to do is pick something, know your risk tolerance level, know how much volatility you can, like, you know, you can withstand, and then find some companies or find a fund that, you know, resembles your risk strategy, and then start to invest regularly. So it is quite a daunting process, but by doing this, I'm hoping everyone can see how easy it is, because I'm just doing it through my iPhone, and I've got a really good app called Free Trade, which allows me to place these trades regularly without paying any commission. So it's really good for me. I mean, I'm feeling much calmer about my future. I know that hopefully I'm doing the right things, I'm making the right actions, right noises, and eventually this portfolio should hopefully grow to $1 million. So as I said before, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you at the middle of the trading day. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.